Thank you for that, Ms. Cusin Hardenero. And before I proceed to the topic that was given to me, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Justin Del Mundo, the last reporter for this group. And I am here to discuss to you the 17 SDGs or the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So in 2015, the United Nations created 17 Sustainable Development Goals that was aimed to achieve by 2030. All 193 United Nations member states agreed on this. These are the 17 goals to end poverty, ensure prosperity, and to protect the planet. These 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, with their 169 targets, form the core of 2030 agenda. Meaning to say, these agendas are formed on 2015, but they will achieve it up until 2030, meaning to say they will not just do this in the span of a year but a decade and a half. These agendas also balance the economic, social, and ecological dimensions of sustainable development and place the fight against poverty and sustainable development on the same agenda for the first time. It means it was the first time for United Nations to have an agenda to fight against poverty and to balance economic, social, and ecological dimensions. So here are the 17 SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations. First is no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, good health and well-being. The fourth one is quality education. The fifth one is gender equality. Then the next one is clean water and sanitation. The seventh one is affordable and clean energy. 8. Decent work and economic growth. 9th, industry innovation and infrastructure. Then the next one is reduced inequalities. The 11th one is sustainable cities and communities. And the next one is responsible consumption and production. 13 is climate action. 14 is life below water. 15th is life on land. Then the 16th one is peace, justice, and strong institutions. Then the 17th and last one is partnerships for the goals. The global goals and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development seek to end poverty and hunger, realize the human rights of all, achieve gender equality and empowerment of all women and girls, and to ensure the lasting protection of planet and its natural resources. So in conclusion, the 17 SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals was made to ensure the safety of everyone and also the safety of the planet and its natural resources. That would be it for our group. Thank you for watching this video and we hope that you learn something from us. Thank you.